pick up by you.
So it's like me I said to some of them people,
There's an urgency.
Uno thinks you uno want have problem?
Urgent that.
Me say, uno thinks you uno want lose date?
I keep it boy, may I tell you something, say.
People in their life, them only things that them want have problem.
Life. The book says, if it's in this life alone, you have pleasure, all men most miserable. You see, you can't have it in this life no more. Because you're miserable. This life make you miserable. You know how much miserable right now. We give God thanks for the glory. I'm not miserable. You know, not in this life.
Not in this life.
Because boy, the more you're miserable, the more you're miserable, you know.
Oh Lord.
Huh? Because they would say the more you get, the more you want. So you must miserable. Jesus Christ.
Me give thanks for the...
Better you just stay calm.
Yes, ma'am.
Stay calm. Whatever come up for you, come for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Aye, if I don't feel you, make it go
Yes,
down.
ma'am. Left it. Left it.
Yes, sir.
If I not
Let me
feel...
tell you something, Kelly.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes I used to worry myself. But no, not again. If you see if you want me, and you know peace of me spaghetti, you hear what me say?
Yeah.
Nothing I can come here and me not care about nothing. Either help me, yes, but if you can't do it, then you must want him more me. Or so me say. So me say, you know. I mean, also quarrel and work, me say, and much happy, but me not see people be talking, so me just, God put you to a state. He said, Tanya, so. You see? And if I put you want it, we can come give you. And if you want loving, we give you. And if you want water, we can come give you. And everything you want, you can come give you. Then you don't worry.
You'll get everything.
You don't worry.
No.
Because he said,
Because you truly a believer.
a widow. He said, he will provide for the widow, the fatherless and the orphan. The motherless and the fatherless and the widow. And we take care of them. And I sit down here, so now I'm going to go to worry myself and fret myself and this and that. Then that means to say, I not trust God.